There's stones. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head, head, head. Like Jesus said, I'm gonna dance, dance, dance with.
Loading pictures. Keep one picture in main track and bring down other pictures as overlay. I removed background from these 5 pictures. Adjust the way I have adjusted. Tap keyframe at the beginning of each picture. Tap another keyframe at some gap. Now give animation called pendulum 1 to each picture. Keep the duration of these 5 pictures at 2.6 seconds. Add 4 to 5 more pictures at the end of each main display picture. Those 4 to 5 pictures should be of 0.4 second duration only. Now adjust each overlay picture in the upper left corner and keep enlarging the size of pictures as it's escalating ahead. Your all pictures should be in 9:16 format. The main track pictures would be in layer 1, overlay 1 should be layer 2, overlay 3 to be layer 3, and so on. Give these enlarged pictures same animation pendulum 1. Done. Export. If you find this tutorial useful, please like, comment, and follow for more.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head, head, head. Like Jesus said.